What do you do in your living room? Do you hang out with your family? Do you read books? Well, the Lincolns were no different. It was here in the sitting room that the Lincolns could relax and enjoy each other as a family. Join me, Ranger Haley, as we take a look at some of the everyday activities that the Lincolns would have partook here in the sitting room. While the parlors were reserved for more formal gatherings, the sitting room here is where family and close friends could enjoy time together. Mr. and Mrs. Lincoln worked to provide a happy home for their children, which they were free, happy, and unrestrained from parental tyranny. They provided a life for their children in which they valued moments as well as fun.
In here, the boys played chess, checkers, and other games. If you take a look at the table, you will find a stereoscope. This device is very similar to the modern-day ViewMaster, where you place the card into the viewer and the image on the card would appear in 3 dimensions. The stereographs were viewed through the stereoscope, permitting viewers to take visual excursions and see people and places from all over the world. Stereoscopes weren't cheap, though, and it shows not only how the Lincolns had risen to an upper-middle-class family, but also how much Mr. Lincoln loved his children and loved to indulge them.
During most of the Springfield years, Mrs. Lincoln did most of the family's sewing. I imagine she was quite the busy lady, and most evenings could be found here, mending the family's clothing.
Now, Abraham Lincoln was 6 feet 4 inches tall. Do you think he would sit comfortably in these chairs? Probably not. Often, Mr. Lincoln would tip a chair over sideways and lean his back against the seat of the chair while having his legs straight out on the ground. He would often do this in front of the fireplace while reading poetry, a book, or the newspaper aloud. As president-elect, Mr. Lincoln might have even read of South Carolina's secession in December of 1860 in this very room.
While most parties and gatherings hosted by the Lincolns took place here in the parlors, the sitting room was the site of Mrs. Lincoln's annual berry party.
Another enjoyment of Mr. Lincoln's was his pets. The family dog Fido was well known. He held such importance in the family that there is even a photograph of the big yellow dog, making him the first presidential pet to be photographed. The Lincolns also had an interest in cats. Mrs. Lincoln once referred to Mr. Lincoln's cats as his hobby, and he might be found in front of the fireplace playing with the newest kitten. The boys, like their father, shared a love of animals.
Family and home were both very important to Mr. Lincoln. The sitting room provides us a glimpse into the home life of this extraordinary man. We look forward to sharing more stories with you of the Lincoln family. Join us next time on At Home with the Lincolns.